BJP has appointed a working chief. Yes, in the latest that is just coming in, Bihar Mantri, who's got a heavyweight BJP role. BJP's organizational churn that has now come in as a huge surprise as a Bihar Mantri who's been appointed as the working chief of the party. We're trying to get to further details of putting out the name of the Bihar Mantri while this was in the working for a long time, and questions were being asked to the BJP to who the new chief would be, when he would be appointed, when the official declaration would be. And while the party has been saying and mixed statements coming in of how they have been mulling this decision, the many names that have been doing the rounds, we now understand that this is narrowed down to a Bihar Mantri who is possibly to get this heavyweight role, who will now be the new BJP working chief, and he is Nitin Nabin. Nitin Nabin will soon be tasked with the responsibility of becoming the new BJP working chief. BJP has appointed its working chief. Nitin Nabin has now been tasked with this heavyweight responsibility to fit into the shoes of JP Nadda. Now remember, he is the working chief yet. And let's get details from Aishwarya Paliwan joining us on the phone line with more on Nitin Nabin and how he was selected, Aishwarya.
Well, let me tell you one thing. What we were hearing, at least for the past many months, was someone who understands the working of the RSS as well as understands the working of the BJP, someone who has been aligned with the BJP for the past many years, and this is an example of someone like that coming to the fore now. The BJP understands that they needed someone young, someone who could actually have a connect with the people, someone who could actually also make sure that there are more people coming into the fold. So that is also something that was very closely being looked at, and this is exactly what we are seeing now. Someone who's been in electoral politics way back into
जी को देश के कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष के तौर पर मनोनीत हुए हैं, इसके लिए विशेष शुभकामना भी देता हूं नितिन नवीन जी को कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जिस ऊंचाई तक आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में और आदरणीय नड्डा जी के नेतृत्व में बढ़ा है, आदरणीय नितिन जी के नेतृत्व में भी बिहार के साथ साथ पूरे देश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी मजबूती के साथ खड़ा होगा। मेरी पूरी शुभकामनाएं।
Aishwarya, I want to come back to you because congratulatory messages have already begun pouring in, but it is a huge responsibility and not easy to fit into those shoes. Any sense of direction that has been given, specifics of how Nitin Nabin was actually shortlisted and then made it to the final cut, and when the official announcement and the remaining procedures will follow?
Well, we will see in the next 24 to 48 hours the procedure becoming very clear. There will be elections that will be held, and then the formal appointment is something that will also happen. But similar thing happened when JP Nadda also became the president of the BJP. He in fact earlier was appointed as the working one, just like Nitin Nabin has been appointed now. And then later we will see the elections taking place, and then we will see the formal ceremony then taking place after the elections are over. The BJP understands that the coming almost 2 years are very crucial for the BJP. 2026, we will see the elections taking place in 5 crucial states, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu, very key for the BJP in that. And then in the beginning of 2027, we have the very important Uttar Pradesh elections that will take place. So keeping all these things in mind, we are now seeing this name which has come up, someone who's won election, someone who understands the BJP. His father also was an MLA, so he comes from a lineage. He understands what the BJP stand for and also understands what needs to be done in the future. So this is also something that we will see the BJP taking keenly looking at it. The RSS also, if you remember, it was Mohan Bhagwat in the national capital itself who very keenly said that you need someone who can take the party and the RSS forward, someone who understands how to strike the right balance between what the RSS has been doing on the ground and winning elections, because that has been the focus of the BJP since 2024. Now 240 MPs, that is what the BJP got, and then we have seen how they have been on a winning streak, making sure that all the loose ends are being tied and they march forward. They are very keenly, Swesha, let me tell you, they are looking at the state of West Bengal. They believe that they will do really well. They are in alliance with AIADMK in the state of Tamil Nadu. So the BJP believes that going forward also the winning streak should continue, and to have someone at the helm, someone who will understand the nuances, someone who understands how the BJP works, and someone who comes from that kind kind of a lineage. So a whole package is something that the BJP was looking at, and now we are seeing this person from Bihar, and we have seen how there has been a resounding victory in the state of Bihar. Nitin Nabin, in fact, was present in all the crucial meetings, was also working in the war rooms, understands how elections are being fought and won, and that's the reason why we are seeing this name now coming to the fore. Swesha.
Oh yes, absolutely, Aishwarya, and a lot of decision making that has happened behind Nitin Nabin being selected. Like you're rightly saying that the Bengal elections will now be a litmus test for him. But in terms of making this decision, and many months, because after it was coming to the fore that JP Nadda will be taking a back seat in terms of who the next BJP national chief will be, and of course Nitin Nabin being the new working chief. But then to say that the responsibilities are manifold.
Responsibility definitely, Swesha, are manifold. We are now seeing how the next elections is also something that the BJP very keenly is looking at. Now, let's just flip through the history pages. The last Bengal elections, 2021, the BJP...
के भारतीय जनता पार्टी की ओर से मैं हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं और केंद्रीय नेतृत्व को भी बधाई देता हूं कि आज बिहार से इतना बड़ा सौभाग्य भारतीय जनता पार्टी को मिला है.
All right, so that was Dilip Jaiswal, BJP Bihar chief, who also put out a congratulations message for Nitin Nabin. And Aishwarya, I want to come back to you because certainly Bihar's victory may have played a huge role given the fact that NDA won and how, and a victory that has been scripted in history. Certainly the BJP in Bihar very happy that one among them, Nitin Nabin, has been chosen.
Well, definitely, and we will see how more responsibility, that is something that Nitin Nabin will now be looking at, someone who understands the workings of the BJP, what the BJP needs to do next, and how you need to make sure that the RSS and the BJP, they need to work together, because that of late we have seen how a lot of people have been speaking about the fact that after 240 MPs, it was the RSS, especially in the state of Maharashtra, that gave that additional push. In the state of Haryana also, it was the RSS and the workers on the ground, they were the ones who gave the additional push. So someone who understands, what needs to be done from both the sides, from the RSS side as well as from the BJP side. So let me tell you next what will happen. We will now see the election date being announced. We will see a full schedule coming out, and then we will see the formal appointment taking place. And apart from that, we will also see how there will be a complete overhaul of things. In the remaining states also, we will now see some of the state precedents being changed. The way it was for the state of Uttar Pradesh, that is something that the BJP was very keenly looking at. That is something that got over today, and now we are seeing this new letter that has now come to the fore. We will see an organizational overhaul. That is also something that will happen. And let me tell you, from what I am understanding from my sources at the BJP, we could also see a cabinet reshuffle taking place in just days to come. So an overall change is something that we are looking at as far as the BJP is concerned.